Hello world, how are you? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new topic. The topic name is 26 English alphabet with easy pronunciation of word. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to see my all content while I'll publish my every single content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So this is time for let's begin. Don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us. So number one is on earlier that we know that English has 26 alphabet word, like 5 has consonant and 21 is vowels. So this is time for let's begin. Firstly, number one is a. This is called a. Apple, apple. A, apple. B, ball, banana. C, cat, not C, it will be cat, cat. D, dog, D, dog. E, egg. R, elephant, elephant. F, fish, F, fish. G, goat, goat. Then H, hat, hat. I, ice. J, jug, not jog, jug. K, kite, kite. K, kite. L, lion, lion. M, mango, mango. O, orange, orange, odd. P, pen, pen. Q, queen, queen, white, queen, white. R, rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. S, sun, sun. T, tiger, T or tiger, it will be tiger. U, umbrella, umbrella. V, van, fog. W, was, was. X, X-ray. Y, yellow, yellow. Z, zebra, Z, zebra. And this is time for practice, speaking practice, very useful. Say this loud, loud. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H for honest, I for ice, K for like this. Please practice, just practice. K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, O for orange, P for pen, Q for white or queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for was, X for X-ray, X-ray, X not X, X, X-ray, Y for yellow, and Z for zebra. Please you practice, this is your turn, practice with loud. So thank you everyone for watching this kind of content. That was my content of English speaking. This is very beginner friendly, and I hopefully this alphabet word will help your English fluent journey, or very loudly and very speakly. So this is time for let's begin. This is time for let's not begin. It's time for let's buy. See you soon with another content. Please turn with me, and until I back, inshallah I will back within 3 short times. This is time for let's say bye.